This is the PetPeePee machine. I have a pleasure to build this system. So on the top is the tube that show me what's coming from the rug. Nothing touch the Oriental rug in the cleaning process. Nothing except the blended minerals from the Dead Sea. Then it is organic, odor-free, healthy environment, and this it will remove the cat urine odor permanently. How does this work? Let me show you. I'm opening the suction. This is the beautiful silk Oriental rug that's saturated with the cat urine odor, and the smell, it's really bad. So under the rug, it means the suction coming from under the rug, everything, then it's on the top of the rug, will go through the rug, fall down, go through the tube, go to the tube over there, and I can see what's coming from this rug. When it's white, clear water, I know I finished my job.